What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now this video, you're watching this because you're trying to find a way of getting free Amazon gift card codes in 2023. I've managed to find possibly the easiest and most reliable method of getting free Amazon gift cards, and you can follow along in this tutorial and learn how to get yours. You're going to be able to get, I think it's $150 for completely free, and this is in your local currency. So for me, $150 is around 120 Great British pounds. But it doesn't matter where you are in the world, this method works, and this is going to give you a gift card code which you can redeem on the Amazon website, and it's just going to give you a balance that you can spend across anything that you may want on Amazon. So let me run through these steps now on how you can go ahead and get your free Amazon gift card codes in 2023. So you can see I've got my mobile phone here. So make sure you use your mobile phone for this and go to open up the internet, and you need to go to www.speedycoupons.com. So speedycoupons.com, and search that. And if you go to Google, basically you just need to look for speedycoupons.com. But you can go directly to the website by typing it www. So this website is awesome, guys. Basically, they specialize in providing us free gift card codes, discount codes, game codes, and more. You can see here it says search below for your free coupon codes from the greatest source in the world. So if you click on this search bar and search what you're looking for, in this case it's Amazon, you should see a page pop up, Amazon gift cards and coupons. So open that page, and we have a bunch of different coupons and gift card codes we can choose between. So you can see there is a $100 Amazon promo code, 50% off technology, $150 Amazon gift card code, which is the one we're interested in today. And you can also get a free 12 months Amazon Prime membership. And this has been used so many times, highly rated. So once you do this, guys, come and rate it 5-star if it worked. And also hit the like button if this works for you. So choose the code you want. In this case, I'm going to be showing you the gift card code, but the process, no matter what Amazon code you choose, is the same. So let's open that one, and you see this is a $150 Amazon gift card code, and it's given us the first 4 characters. You can see it's the start of the code, but we need to basically reveal the remaining characters of the Amazon code. The reason we need to do this is basically it just protects the codes, because people do come on and create robots to steal all of the available gift card codes, because essentially it's free money. So tap unlock code. This takes a few seconds. And you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal, guys, and don't panic, it's really quick and completely free. So we need to basically complete 2 of the tasks you see on this page, and these tasks can range from downloading and opening games to just completing free surveys. Just choose any 2 on this page, and there is a description below each one on how to complete it. So if you look at, for example, this one here, have a chance to win an Argos gift card, and then below it tells you what you need to do. So it says fill in your personal valid details and confirm. So this is like a free survey pretty much. And Argos is like a UK shop, but yeah, you just need to answer whatever questions and then input your email. Now, like I said, I am getting UK based ones because I'm in the UK. So if you're in the US, for example, you're going to get different tasks, but the process remains the same. You just need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. So this one here says register and choose your boxes and start your trial. So this is like basically a survey, and I just need to create a free account on this website. They're all completely free, these tasks, so there's no panic. It just takes a few minutes of work. So let me pause the video. I'm going to finish both of those tasks and then I'll come back. Hey guys, so just finished both of those tasks you saw there. So I chose to do 2 of the free surveys. Just a little top tip, but the ones at the top tend to be the easiest and most popular. It's ranked by how many people complete them. So this Family Island one is basically just downloading a game and playing till level 8. But yeah, just choose any 2 that you don't mind completing. I quite like doing the surveys because I find them pretty easy and quick. So once you've fully completed any 2 of the tasks on this page that you come across, tap your tabs, and now I've got this tab opened up, and when I click on it, it's going to show me my $150 free Amazon gift card code. So that is how easy. It takes around 5 minutes, and I can then go ahead, redeem this in the Amazon redeem gift card page on your account, and it's going to credit me $150, or for me around 120 Great British pounds, and I can spend that however I want. So you need to basically go to speedycoupons.com and follow the instructions to get your free Amazon gift card codes. You should not have any issues if you follow the instructions carefully, and once you complete 2 of those things on that page, it's going to reveal your gift card code. So that is a crucial step to ensure you fully complete. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hit that like button if you got your gift card code, and comment below if you need help. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.